Well, a man accused of second-degree murder in the shooting death of an Indigenous man took the stand today in his own defense. Peter Khill told the jury today that his military training took over when he saw that someone was breaking into his truck in February of 2016. As Kelly Botello tells us, Khill testified that calling 911 never crossed his mind.
Peter Khill told the jury today that in February of 2016, he kept a shotgun in his bedroom. Obviously, I never wanted to use it, but I wanted it to be there in case I needed it, he testified. He had been worried, and so was his girlfriend, about potential break-ins that were becoming an issue in his Binbrook neighborhood, he said. In the early hours of February 4th, 2016, Peter Khill's girlfriend woke him up and asked him if he had heard something. Khill testified that soon after he heard two loud bangs. He looked out his window and saw the radio lights on in his pickup truck. He testified that's when he got up, grabbed his gun, and headed outside, still in his boxers and t-shirt. Khill said his military training taught him that he needed to be in control of the situation, so he yelled out to the person he saw leaning into his truck. "Hey, hands up," he testified. But that's when Khill said that it appeared 29-year-old Jonathan Styres had something in his hands and was turning towards him. Khill shot Styres twice, aiming at center mass like his training taught him, he told the jury today. Before Khill took the stand, one of his Canadian Armed Forces trainers testified that the purpose of some of the training was to teach people to be ready to kill if needed, adding that any posture where it looks like a person could be holding a weapon, that's an immediate threat. This case hinges on self-defense and whether or not the jury believes that Peter Khill acted for fear of losing his own life. Khill did not have to take the stand in his own defense, and in his opening statements, defense lawyer Jeff Manishin reminded the jury that it's not Khill's job to prove his innocence, it's the Crown's job to prove that he's guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Khill will be cross-examined tomorrow. Kelly Botello, CHCH News.